Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a video that I haven't done in so long, and I really miss filming these because I feel like I really get to chat with you all and share products that I've been loving. Today's video is a get ready with me. I'm going out in about an hour. I'm going out for drinks and we're watching the football, which is so random for me, but England are playing and it's like one of the biggest games. That's why I'm out for the football. It's not a usual thing for me. I've got my hair up in rollers. If you want to see how I do these, then I think I showed you in my last get ready with me. Yeah, I did. But I also wanted to share how I did my nails as well. I painted them using a brand called Manicurist and they look lovely. I use this really nice natural pink colour, which I love because I always get my nails, whenever I do my nails or I get them done, I always go for the most natural look I can, whether that be like just nude or French tip. I'm going to show you in the next clips how I did it, but basically they're a brand that's all natural. They use all natural ingredients in their products. I use their green flash lamp and polishes. They're semi-permanent, they're green because they have no harmful chemicals in them, and they're bio-sourced so they don't damage your nails. They last about 10 days and they're applied like classic polish, but you use the lamp to set them. They can actually be removed at home with a normal nail polish remover, and they have loads of colours on offer, but I chose the rose shade. I just think it's so much easier to do them from home than go out and get them done, and I love that their products are all natural because sometimes nail varnishes you can just tell they've got loads of chemicals in them, whereas these are actually good for your nails and let them breathe. Look how nice they look. I mean, you can't go wrong. So the next clips will be me showing you how to use the nail polishes, and then we'll go on to my makeup. Let's get into the makeup. I did actually ask you guys on my stories to ask me some questions, but I do have a few things that I want to update you on because I feel like I haven't done like a sit down chatty video with you all in ages, because my last video was a Zara haul. I've got a few little things to update you on. All the products will be linked down below, but I use a mixture of two different tinted moisturisers. Okay, let's start with the elephant in the room, and I feel like that is the reason why I didn't upload for so long. I was uploading on the Grace and Grace channel, so if you want to see me like more regularly, maybe go subscribe to that channel. I'm guessing you probably already all are, but maybe some of you just watch this channel. So if you're not, I would go subscribe to that because I'm definitely more consistent over there because it's like my main channel. But basically I didn't upload for ages because I had my whole college project due, and it was kind of my last, you know, I don't want to go to uni, so that was my last ever thing to do in education, so I really wanted to give that my all, and I just didn't have the time to upload on this channel, which made me really sad because I love, you know, I love filming my Zara hauls and my little get ready with me's on this channel, but I barely had the time for the Grace and Grace channel, let alone this channel too, and then keeping on top of Instagram, TikTok and everything. So it was kind of a stressful time, but I feel like I've come out of that, and then after that we had like loads of stuff on with friends, so like everyone wanted to meet up because we'd all finished our exams and stuff, so that happened and I wasn't really uploading either. But now I have all the time in the world. I'm not going to uni. This is going to be my full-time job, which is so exciting, and that is why I really want to start putting like my full efforts into this channel. So if there is any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments. I know you're going to say Zara hauls. I feel like you're also going to say more get ready with me's because I love doing these too. Just love catching up with you all. But if there's anything like fashion related other than Zara hauls that you guys want, please let me know in the comments. I'm also very active now on Instagram. But yeah, that's why I didn't upload for so long. And it was a very long time, and I had loads of you messaging me and commenting saying like, where are you? we need a Zara haul, and I felt so bad. Yeah, that's why I was gone for so long. But I'm back now for good, and I ideally want to upload twice a week on this channel because I feel like that's what you guys deserve. Like, you deserve 2 videos a week. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So please comment any ideas, and also the best days for me to upload, because I want to get myself into like a really good routine and schedule with like upload days and stuff. But I'm very bad with time management. I don't know if you can tell, probably by my lack of uploads, but I'm probably the worst person in the world at managing my own time. Like, I'm such a procrastinator, and it's so bad because I know it's like the one thing holding me back from doing a lot of things. But I also wanted to update you because I'm going on holiday. It's been completely changed quite a few times actually. So I was meant to go to Portugal and Zante over this summer, but now it's been changed to Menorca with my family, and Zante was cancelled because it's not on the green list. I'm literally going in 3 days. So I need to pack. I'm really looking forward to packing actually, because I've got some really good outfits for this holiday. I've planned them all. I've got them written down on a notepad like each night, because I love getting pictures on holiday. I feel like the background's always so much better, and the lighting, and it's just such a vibe, like holiday Instagram content. So I'm hoping to take loads of pictures there, but at the same time it is a family holiday, so I feel a bit bad like making my mum and dad take loads of pictures of me. They literally get so fed up with it, but they know it's just all part of the YouTuber life. I was looking through the questions that you guys were asking, and a lot were about boyfriends and boys. Still no boyfriend, but you know what, I'm actually kind of enjoying being single at the minute, because things are starting to open up. Like, obviously I know clubs are opening soon, and like we're going to be able to go out and actually talk to people and socialise. So I feel like if I had a boyfriend I couldn't do that. It's not always in like a romantic way, but I just like going out and talking to people, especially boys. And you know what, I don't want to say hot girl summer because I feel like that's been so overdone, but it's just fun to go out and socialise and meet people, and I just feel like a boyfriend would really kind of restrict that, because you'd feel bad like going out and talking to boys, even if it's in like a platonic way. Do you get what I mean? So I'm actually enjoying being single at the minute, but who knows, this might be my time to find a boyfriend finally. Love Island, let's talk about Love Island. You know what, it's funny because recently whenever like I say to people like, oh, I do like YouTube and Instagram, people always go, oh, you're gonna go on Love Island, aren't you? They just assume that I want to go on Love Island, and I don't think I would go on Love Island, because I mean, I'm saying this now but I've not been asked, but like I don't know if I would go on it, because I just feel like it's so much pressure. And also imagine your nan seeing you in a bikini talking to boys on the telly. Like, I literally couldn't think of anything worse. The question was, would you go on Love Island, and what are you thinking of it this year? I'm not gonna lie, bit bored of it but I'm still gonna watch it because I know it's only been on for a week and I don't want to judge it. And I know the first week is always like the most boring, because you know, Casa Amor hasn't happened, there's not really been much drama. But last night 2 new girls were added, and I feel like some couples are going to be split up, so it's getting better, and I don't want to judge it too soon, but I do think it has been better in previous years. But who's to say it's not going to be a good year of it this year? It's only been a week. My favourite girl was probably Liberty, because I just already know that Jake's going to break her heart, and I think she seems like the biggest sweetheart. My favourite boy, you know what, at the minute it's actually probably Hugo, because I feel really bad for him. I mean, I've never had any like filler or anything done, but like I thought the girls kind of overreacted a bit about the filler thing. I think he's allowed a preference. I think they really overreacted, and it was so sad seeing him cry. Like, I think he seems like a sweetheart. I don't think he meant it in a malicious way at all. Do I believe in astrology? Yes, I do believe in astrology. I am obsessed with astrology. I'm a Scorpio. We're meant to be like the worst sign, but I don't care. Like, people say we're like the devils, and I put my birth chart, because I don't know if you guys are into astrology, but if you're not, you need to get into it, because you're not just one sign, you are about 10 different star signs. You have your moon, you have your rising, you have your Venus, your Pluto, your Mercury. You've got so many different star signs that make you who you are, but you need to know what time you were born to find them out. if you don't know what time you were born, or like within the hour, then you can't really find it out, which is annoying. But I'm so obsessed with astrology, and it really annoys me when people kind of are like, oh, it's a load of bullshit, because honestly it makes so much sense. Like, going back to Love Island, I'm such a weirdo. With Toby, I just got the vibe that he was a Pisces. I go on his Instagram, find his birthday, he was a Pisces. I'm so good at telling what star sign people are. I'm just obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with astrology, and if you don't believe in it, please just don't look at horoscopes. I think horoscopes are just written by some random person in an office and printed into magazines. I don't believe them, but I believe in like the traits behind it, because if you think about one person and you found out their birth chart, it would make so much sense. When do you think you'll want to move out? Oh, this is such a tough one, because I feel like once you've moved out, you don't want to move back in. Do you see what I mean? Like, once you've moved out, it's such a big thing, and like, you know, I would probably rent because I want to live in London. There's no reason for me really to move out at the minute, because my parents don't mind having me here. I don't think so anyway. There's no rush for me to move out basically, but at the same time I feel like, well, my friends are going to go off to uni and then I'm going to be living at home. Like, I feel a bit unindependent, if that makes sense. So I think it will just be when the time's right, like when we feel a bit sick of living at home, or, you know, when we've travelled a bit, because we want to do a bit of travelling. So I feel like we should probably do that before we move out. It's a tough one. It is a tough one, but we'll see. Do you know what? Who knows? Oh, I've put too much blusher on. My cheeks are way too rosy. This is not a good look. Is it too much blush? You can't see. I feel like it's not showing up on camera, but in real life I look like I've got pink blobs on my cheek. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I got it dyed back to my natural colour, but it's not really showing up on the camera. Like, it doesn't look that different, but to me it does, because before it had a very kind of red brassy tone to it, and my hairdresser put loads of highlights through it, and then she put like an ashy kind of grey toner on it to kind of make it look like my old colour. I do kind of miss my dark hair, but at the same time I feel more me with this. I don't know, I feel like it matches my style a bit more, and it was a lot of maintenance. I'm going to be honest, it was a lot of maintenance dyeing it dark. Like, I had to have it done every probably 6 to 8 weeks for it to look, you know, nice. So I'm kind of glad I've stopped dyeing it now. Let's ruffle it at the back a bit. It's very bouncy at first, but it does drop. And then I just bring these bits forwards. Oh, I do look a bit crazy, guys. So that is it for the video. I hope you did all enjoy this Get Ready With Me. I've really missed filming them. Make sure you check out Manicurist. Everything will be linked down below. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye! Mwah!